Hello guys, I'm Dhruv. Today I'm going to show you how to install Anaconda in Linux. So basic prerequisite is if we want to use some GUI packages with Anaconda in Linux, we need to install some libraries into our Linux distribution. To do that, I'm simply going to copy this command and paste it into the terminal. Okay. So now as we can see, all the packages are installed. And now next, we need to head over to this link to actually download the Anaconda installer file. So here we can see this download button. When we click on this button, the download starts. I have already downloaded that file, and now after downloading the file, the next step is to actually make it executable. So what happens is by default the files in Linux are not executable. We cannot run them. So to run them, we need to make them executable. To do that, we need to run this command chmod +x and then the path of the file where we have downloaded that. So it's in the download. So the file name is anaconda3 this.sh. Okay, we need to make it executable. Now once it is executable, we can run it using this command bash and then again the path of the file. Okay, press enter, keep pressing enter and it will scroll down, and now we need to press yes. Okay, and now it is asking for the default location where Anaconda will be installed. So the default location is usually /home/your username and then the Anaconda3. So I'm okay with this location, so I'm just gonna press enter. Okay, and now as we can see, the download process has started. So I'm gonna take a pause. Fast forward, now it is asking whether to initialize Anaconda by running conda init or not. So I'm just gonna press yes. Okay, and now the Anaconda is installed. So the next step is to, okay, so when we open up a terminal, by default the base environment of conda is not activated. To make sure that the base environment of the conda is activated, whenever we open up the terminal, we need to run this command. And now we have successfully installed the Anaconda. To verify that, close this terminal and open up a new terminal. And now here, as we can see the base written over here. So it means the Anaconda has been successfully installed. So now we can start using Anaconda. So to launch Anaconda, we can type anaconda-navigator into the terminal and it will fire up the GUI for the same. We can also use Anaconda through the command line by using command conda. Just to demonstrate that, so if I type conda -h here, we can see the conda is installed and it lists the set of common commands that can be used with conda. So all the things that can be done through the command line can also be done through the GUI. The GUI is now launching, as you can see here. Okay. Just wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, the Anaconda has been installed and we can see the Anaconda Navigator. And now we can do all the stuff that we want. We can install Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, IPython, the Spider and PyCharm and all of these tools. So I hope you liked the video. So if you want me to make such quick and complete tutorials, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.